Hey G-Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode, we have this cool, amazing product right here in my hand. If you can see, basically what it is umbrellas that you can use that are affordable. Both of them are from the same brand, but they're different patterns, if you can see. But let's take out each product to show you what it looks like and then open it up. So we'll start with this one right here first. So they do have this little nice baggie to hold the actual umbrella itself when you guys are not using it. Alright. And then right here is covered up, so that way you guys know it's brand new, but let's take it out. So they do have a button control right here that you can click to open it and close it. They have this nice little wrist strap that you can put on your wrist like this if you guys want to, which is pretty nice. They also have the little logo right here if you can see. So the pattern and design of the umbrella itself is pretty nice, but let's open up the product to show you what the inside looks like. So you guys can see it's pretty small and compact. So if you guys don't want to carry like a huge umbrella with you guys when it's like raining, you just want like a small and compact one, this is a really nice one to get. So what we want to do is press this button right here and be really careful when you guys open it, especially if you guys open it indoor like me. Alright, very nice pattern and everything. It's supposed to be a waterproof material, so the water should just slip off really easily. The frame itself is pretty strong. I wouldn't say it's like super strong like the $100 umbrella that I bought. If you guys want to see what the inside looks like, this is basically what the inside looks like. As you can see, very nice, strong frame and everything. So all you guys have to do if you guys want to close the umbrella is press the same button to close like this. You guys can see, and then you just have to manually close it like this. So really easy and simple to use. Let's take a look at the second one right here. So that's all black, so there's no design or anything, so very simple. Same thing right here, it has a very nice baggie to protect it. The material that they use for this one is a little bit different. I believe this is like some kind of metal or steel material right here, and this is like a leather material, so I feel like this one's a little bit more high quality based on what we see right here. But regardless of which one you guys get, they're still pretty good. The product itself looks really nice. They also have the logo here as well. They use a button to close and open the product itself right here. They also have a button right here to open and close the umbrella, and that's basically everything that's on the product. So let's open it up and show you guys what the inside looks like. Alright, so same thing like the other one, it's pretty small and compact, so you guys can bring this wherever you guys want to and don't have to carry like a huge umbrella. But just click the button and open up and see what it looks like. Alright, so this is what the inside looks like, and see it's pretty strong and everything. If you guys look at the outside, this is what it looks like. So they do have like the little waterproof material that they use for the umbrella so that the water can just slip off really easily. So same thing like the other one, you just have to press this button right here to close it. And then you have to close it manually like this. It won't be that pretty unless you guys take your time to put it back correctly and everything. If you guys are wondering how big the umbrellas are and everything, they do mention it on the listing itself, so you can go check it out. But now that we show you guys both umbrella, what it looks like from the inside and outside and how to use the product itself, let's actually go do a quick waterproof test of the umbrellas itself first, and we'll come back and talk more about the product in a second. Alright, so we got the umbrella right here. We're going to test it out to see when it's actually waterproof or water resistant. So I'm going to use my shower hose right here. Alright, so you can see that the water just comes off really easily, and if you just pat it out, all the water will just falls off really easily, so it is waterproof. So this one's waterproof, but let's try out the other one and see whether or not the other one is also waterproof. Alright, so we got the second umbrella here. Let's try it out and see whether or not this one is also waterproof. Alright, so as you can see, that's also waterproof and everything. It came off really easy. The water is pulled out. The water still sticks here, but you just pat it out really easily and it comes off really easily. So same thing just like the other one. So both of them are waterproof, so that's pretty awesome. Alright, welcome back guys. So now you guys saw the quick waterproof test and the actual testing of the product itself to open up the inside to show you what it looks like. Now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for me, honestly, I think any kind of like strong build quality umbrellas are worth it if you guys need one or want one of these. But then obviously for those guys who don't want or don't need one or have no use for one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that actually do need. But other than that, that's pretty much it for the quick unboxing and testing on the product itself. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, then make sure to subscribe, like, and comment down below. And if you guys like this video and you guys want to see more, then make sure to click on that bell notification in the bottom to be notified of new videos that will be coming up in the future. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace. And then for today's G Squad fan shout out day we have